In this video, we will discuss about our weekly email summary feature. Let me show you how it works. So if you enable this, you will get a weekly or daily email summary of your submission on your email. So let me show you how to work on this. So first of all, you need to make sure Ultimate Addon Pro is enabled. How to install these plugins. A link of a video should pop up on top of this video by now, or it should be under description. Now let's go to all add-ons. So here we have the weekly email summary. We enable this. Now we have to go to settings, click email configuration, weekly email summary. You enable this. Here you can see we have the weekly report or daily report. You can choose your preference. Here you can set the report to go to site admin, or you can also add a custom email. And here you can choose your subject line. Weekly summary. And click save. That's basically it, all the setup. So if you set weekly, after a week, you will see a report like this. If you set a daily, you will get a report at the end of your daily time. So how the time works, it works basically based on the WordPress general settings. So if you set a time zone to UTC plus 0, so it will calculate the daily and weekly time based on this time zone settings. So make sure your time zone settings is based on your preference, and it will work just fine. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.